does. Look how big it is. Oh my God. Oh. Jeez. It's like almost like a board. Look at this. Oh. Heavyweight mixed media paper. What do you think I should do with it?
I wonder.
Hello and welcome to the studio. This is Graham Smith, the paper junkie, and today we are trying out some of the good stuff. Oh. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give the paper an acrylic wash to see how it takes the wet media. So I do the acrylic wash and there's no sign of warping at all. The tape peels off easily, so that means the surface is pretty tough. The next thing I do, I sketch out the rough shape of the guy that I'm drawing, this old time boxer strongman fella. I think I was in there with like a 2B pencil at first. Next I block in the basic values using vertical strokes. I'll begin to define the form by having the hatch mark strokes follow the planes of the form. But even though I'm beginning to render out the form, I'm still sticking to just 3 basic values, light, medium, and dark. At this point in the drawing, I'm switching between 6B to get some graphite down on the paper and the 2B to fill in the details. The vellum finish pulls the graphite right off the pencil, so it's a pretty sensitive surface. There's enough tooth to grab the graphite, yet the surface is smooth enough to hold the detail. So far so good.